In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then select All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google, and finally Google Password Manager. Now it's time to tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit, enter your screen lock and click on Edit button. Then change wherever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!